here, bud. Whoop. Come on.
Should be honest. Oh. There was a definite step. He's getting tired out because we were exercising. No. We were working hard at it for a while there. We'll have to get it another time. Tomorrow maybe.
Here. Want to go to Mom?
Ian. No, he wants that camera. Atmosphere. Go get the camera. Put your feet down. Get your behinds. Go get that camera.
Ian.
Ian.
Come here.
Come on. There you go. Oh, nicely done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you get it, Dan?
I did.
Okay. That's about it, though, because he's tired. Thank you. Thank you. Golly. Golly. You want to try it again? You want to go get Daddy again? Come in. Oh, Daddy's got look at Daddy's got a bright shiny thing.
Come here.
Come on. Oh, good.